Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hey guys, it's your girl Lollipop, and I've got this gist for you. It's about Burna Boy. Burna Boy. You understand what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Yes. And this time brand is for the good reason. Yes, it's underneath for the good reason, as he is signed an autograph for his fans at Birmingham live and direct, and he's giving them a big hug. How I wish I can see him and just give him a hug too. I wish I can see him too. I can get a hug from him. What? So that's it about Burna Boy. Yeah, so live at Birmingham, he signed an autograph for his fans, both children and adults. He was just signing an autograph for them, and he's giving them a big hug. So I send my hug to Burna Boy.
She's not even here. No, she went on the other side. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Okay. But you see, what's it called? I always said they need to give me something true. So do I pick it up?